Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here with my turbo Jeep. We're gonna go ahead and take it to Lazy Springs, which is only like about 20 minutes from where I live. I have a couple friends going out there, so I'm gonna test it out, see if it's all good. Um, but yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a rip. We just got here to Lazy Springs. There's a lot of people, a lot of Broncos. There's some event here with Broncos. Yeah, look at that truck right there. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so we just got here to Lazy Springs. Oh, you can see the boat. This is the first lake. We're just gonna ride around the Jeep a little bit, film a couple people out here. So yeah, it's pretty packed. Let's see. Here. This place is pretty packed. A lot of people. People jumping off the swing rope, having a good time. Riding dirty. Look at this Jeep. Thing is clean. All these people riding out here. Oh yeah. All these people over here. Some people camping. Oh man, got Trevi. What up? Good little doggy. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and ride a little bit. People. Got Diego's bike. Everyone in the water. My Jeep. Lazy Springs, boy. Having a good time. How these people stuck out there. Woo! Got the stock JK.
They're digging so hard, dude.
Gonna pull it out now.
Hey, Fred, are you gonna dig him out?
He's good. Give it gas. We got Louis over here. Let's see. Logger helps, eh? Let's see. He's trying to balance it. There's Otto. No, you can't. You gotta turn more to the right.
But it just slides. If you air it down, you'll be all fat like that. Yeah, I know, but I don't want to do that.
Got all these people out there. Let's see who's gonna try it again. Hey, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. Oh man. Got the stock Jeep over there. Chilling. Chilling. What? Yeah, it's soft. Alrighty, we're out here leaving the park. They're pretty much kicking out everyone. That truck. Got the rope swing there. But yeah, it was a good time. Alrighty, just made it home with the Jeep. It did pretty good. I do have to change the TPS sensor and I think the O2 sensor because it's driving kind of weird. It was driving good at first. I cleared the codes. It was good, but then afterwards it went back. So it signaled those two sensors. So I'll probably change out those. But other than that, it's actually running pretty good. But yeah, did good at Lazy Springs, and yeah. So until next time, I still have not fixed this beast over here, but should be fixed soon. I'll probably start it either tomorrow or this week. I gotta take out the tranny and see exactly what's wrong with it. And then that's it. Until next time.